reasons why you should invest your money, not save. As we often tell our children, it's wise to save money, but there are some occasions when saving isn't the most financially astute decision. In fact, if you're saving for your long-term future, savings shouldn't be your strategy at all. Here's the 5 reasons you should not save your money. 1. If you stick to cash, you'll lose money to inflation. Saving money in the cookie jar does nothing to protect you against inflation. The buying power of any money you save is under constant attack from inflationary pressures. 2. Investments can give you a livable income. Regardless of the material goals you establish in your life, investment is the surest route to achieve them. 3. You can use the compounding to grow the value of your investments. You can invest in different value-based opportunities around the world while using financial hedging advice to protect from a currency depreciation. 4. You can diversify your holdings for safety. By using diversification, you can smooth out variable returns because investments in one asset class that year might perform exceptionally well, which balances out a decline in another asset class. 5. Your savings alone won't be enough to retire. The interest from cash savings loses money to inflation, so that won't work. Instead, you need to deploy your savings into investments to multiple their value. If you don't, you may never be able to afford to retire.